it's beyond meat because the price is testing the 75 resistant. As you can see from this trend, guys, we entered a bearish trend since the November last year to 2025, and after the earnings, we have interesting level here to break for beyond meat. So before we go further, remember our content always for education purposes only. Let me just show you interesting thing going on for beyond meat, guys. First of all, we found a bit of support over the 57, not the 50 cent. Second, we testing a major resistance around the 75 over here. This is the level where we didn't break last earnings at the end of the last month. Now, if we broke this level, right now is 2%, we might have the 88 and of course the important level, the $1. Why important? Because we gonna be officially over this bearish trend that we've been trading inside almost 6 months or almost half a year. So if we broke it and we test the $1 and hold over the 75, even if we pull back, this will be an official way to let us know that Beyond Meat technically and fundamentally has changed, and we're gonna go on the bullish side this time. We might do a huge jump this time, guys. So 100% or even 50% at least for a huge jump. As long as we break from this channel, because this channel is the one that keep us down right now at the moment, and is not normal one, because every time we test it, you see this huge buying pressure, we pull back, huge buying pressure in February, we pull back, and now in April, this is it. This is the third time. We might have the third time is the last time that we make the short seller cover up. Let me know, guys, in comment section below, are we gonna have the last third time to confirm us a squeeze up, or this is where the short seller will add their position again around this area between the 88 and 75, and we pull back down toward the 50. So let me know in the comment section below. Of course, we're going to discuss this in our Discord and Patreon as usual. And of course, today we did a huge update for mini stocks before the market opened, because before the market opened, where the action happened. The link in description below, guys, if you want to join the hunt before the market open.